Hello guys, hello world. Ronald De Vera Diaries here. In this video, look at this, a chicken liver soup, a soup that it has ginger. So this recipe is called chicken liver in ginger, a kind of light soup, light in the stomach, and the ginger aromatic flavor is perfect for the good digestion, antioxidant, and anti of colds and flus. In this menu, you can add more aromatic flavors like a basil, mint, or any leafy like a celery. So you two guys, who among you wants to eat chicken liver? Would you gonna love this? Comment down below and see you next one. Bye bye.